Everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu on VirtualBox and run it Linux on Windows 3. This video will work for Windows 10 and Windows 11, so let's get started. First we're going to open our browser and then come over into the search option and simply search for VirtualBox downloads. Click on that, and now here you're going to find out VirtualBox download option into the source force, and from here you can simply click on the download option, then click on the download and it will get downloaded, as you can see. So I already downloaded VirtualBox in my computer. You can simply see, just simply come over into this start icon and here you can simply search for Oracle VirtualBox, as you can see. So as you know, I already downloaded the VirtualBox in my computer. That's why I'm going to now download the latest Ubuntu desktop ISO. For that, what you can do, you can simply come over or create a new tab and then type here Ubuntu ISO download. Okay, click on that. Now click on download Ubuntu desktop. Click on the Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. Wait for a little bit, and here you're going to get the file to download. Click on the download option, and it's about 6.07 GB. It will take some more minutes to complete. For that, you have to keep your patience. And as you can see, the download has been completed. Now if you simply close it, now you have to open the VirtualBox, and then here you can simply click on new and simply give a virtual name. I'm going to give here Ubuntu. Now everything will detect automatically, and now I'm going to select the VM folder to simply select the VM folder to this disk, and then the ISO file, the location, click on download. Here is the ISO file. So now I selected that, and now I'm going to click on next. And now here, as you can see, that you have to give your username. So the username is vboxuser. Now you have to give your password, so just simply give a password, and now you can simply click on next. Now you have to select the base memory. So I'm going to use the base memory to 4 GB. Here it is, selected the 4 GB, and the number of CPU I'm going to give 2 CPU. Okay, and for the disk size I'm going to add 25 GB, 29 GB, and then clicks next. That's it. Now simply click on finish, and here is your Ubuntu is rightly opened over here. You can simply see. So now you can simply see a VirtualBox is rightly opened, and now you can simply click on try to install Ubuntu, message capture, and as you can see right now, Ubuntu is rightly opened in your VirtualBox, as you can see. Now you can simply use VirtualBox by simply using it. So yeah, you can simply install Ubuntu by simply click on it. That's another topic to show, but in this video I show you how you can simply run Ubuntu in VirtualBox in a very simple way, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install VirtualBox in your Linux operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.